Hello everyone, K-Tree Moto. Thanks for checking out the channel. I just want to say that any of you that's been following me know that last year, in preparation for my road trip across the country, I wanted to put LED lights, and I did that. Truckmall, I wanted to give you an update that these lights are working awesome. I've had zero problems, and actually I run with these lights on all the time just for added visibility. We do have a switch here on the Road King where I can just run one, but because of that visibility, I always have them all on. I want to be seen when I'm coming down the road. So Truckmall reached out to me and actually asked me if I wanted to do a demo for their product. They were willing to send it to me. And then I told them I already have them and I'm very happy with the product. They were very, very nice to agree to send some over anyway to donate to CVMA, Combat Veterans Motorcycle Association. And they are going to be part of a raffle for our poker run this September 16th, 2023 in the San Francisco Bay Area. So if you're here in the Bay Area, come on by. You could win Truckmall headlight LEDs. Here they are with instructions. My eyes are blinded. I was using that as a light. Oof, those lights are great. Here we go. Brand new. They're not refurbished or returned. They send us a brand new set of headlights for someone to win in our poker run. And I really, really want to thank Truckmall for that. Supporting Combat Veterans Motorcycle Association, helping us raise money for veterans helping veterans. The link to their product will be down below. It's an Amazon link. I get nothing out of it. It's all a donation from Truckmall. If you want to buy some, you'll find that they're very, very reasonable and they are supporting veterans. I will have a video out that shows who won it. I'm sure they're going to be very happy, and I can totally testify that these lights, super reliable. All right, everyone, y'all take care and stay safe.